that they and the members fully support you, and they will do whatever they can do to make a success of your strike and to achieve the goals that you have set yourself, and for a just and fair settlement to this. For teachers, for school secretaries and caretakers, in the same way that SNAs and teachers are treated.
Now! We're just turning the corner here, folks. Now!
Stop here! Punch it!